Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 2. I was taping and I was using the old camera so I can pause it, but unfortunately I had technical issues. So I'm going to start all over, and on part 1 I left it with part 2. Row 2, we were doing the row 2, and here I was just finishing row 3. Okay, so we're going to start all over again. So I started with a different yarn just to show you. See, just to give you an idea how it becomes. So we finished row 2, which we did is 2 single crochets on each double crochet. So I'm just going to come here and do a slip stitch and then chain 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do front post on each double crochet. And then when we come here, we're going to finish it up with that chain. Well, we don't have to do that. We can start with the chain. Let's do it that way. So front post, double crochet. And then you will see these 2 single crochets. So on each single crochet, we're going to do single crochet. And then we're going to do front post double crochets on the double crochets on the previous row. So we should have 12 front post double crochets. Okay, so I'm going to continue crocheting on each. This is row 3, and the yarn that I'm using is a Walmart brand again. It's the Mainstays yarn, which I can find this everywhere at any Walmart if I need more, and I already give you all the details. So continue crocheting 2 single crochets on each single crochet and front post double crochets on the previous row that we did though. And I did increase my to a 5, and I was going to increase it to a 5.5, but I'll do it later because the yarn is not that super soft. And I did mention if you can find Red Heart, I would highly recommend this yarn. Unfortunately, I don't have enough and I can't find this yarn here in Edmonton. So that's the reason I went with the Walmart brand, because there's lots of that yarn. 6, they usually have stock 6. And this is not a beginner, friendly beginner. I get that a lot. Like, I try to explain as easy as I can, and then I get a comment, this is not easy. Well, none of these are easy. You need to crochet, so many years, then it becomes easy for you. But I cannot say this is friendly for beginners. But by all means, follow my tutorial, rewind it, go to settings. If I'm doing it fast, go to settings, and then you can slow it down to watch it the desire you wish, because this is the slowest I can go. Front post, row 3 is this way, 2 single crochet. Okay, and this is how it looks like. 1, 2, go to here and then here. One, 2. Okay, so count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and we finished it with with 2 single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to come right here, and then make a slip stitch. And then I'm going to chain 1 just to give more room. Okay, so row 4 This is row 4, right? And then we're going to make single crochets on top of the front post. And then we're going to make another single crochet where the single crochet here is. And then right here, go to the previous row, and then you will see the 2 single crochets. We're going to do a front post double crochet, okay? To do that, we need to grab it like this. It's a little bit tough, but you can manage. Like I said, this is not beginner friendly. Okay, and then you continue making your single crochet on top of the double front post double crochet, and then make another single crochet. Okay, I'm going to make these videos short, so I don't want it long, so you won't, you know, I already created a playlist, so you just click on the playlist and everything will pop up. Okay, so I don't want this to be long, because it is not an easy design, just to point out. So I don't want you to get bored, confused. You know, you can pause it anytime you want. Okay, so here we made our 2 single crochets, and then here we find that single crochet on the previous row. Well, you will see by the color. That's why it's nice to work with variegated yarn. And then if you have, oops, I went between. If you have lots of variegated yarn, I would highly recommend. It doesn't have to be the same colors. It can be different colors. Why not, right? So make a front post, and then automatically come here, make 2 single crochets, and then make a front post. It's a little bit tight to go in because being a single crochet, but it's there. Okay, like this, and then just grab it. Then 2 single crochet. Oh, I forgot to put my stitch marker. I am so sorry. Yeah, I will do that. And I even forgot to put it on that one. Okay, I'm just gonna, I don't know where I did. Sorry. Okay. Can you see it's right here? The front post, the single crochet where we did the front post. So I'm just gonna put it here, and where I did the chain, it's right here. I did the slip stitch and I did the chain here, so I will just put it there. Okay, sorry about that. I never use stitch markers and I always forget. Okay, so I did 2. 2, and then come here, and then make a, what you call it, front post. 2, 1, 2 single crochet and front post. Yeah, it's a little bit tight, but try to stick it in, and it's a little bit hard to grab it. Front post, single crochet on top of the front post, and then single crochet on top of the single crochet. Okay, it's right here. Again, 2 single crochet. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I will try to reply to you, but if I see it, I don't know, 10 years later, I probably forget. You know, time passes by and I carry on with new tutorials, new stitches, and new designs, everything new. So don't forget, every time a single crochet on top of the front post, and then next on the single crochet, and here it is, it's hiding there, it's between between right there. And then one on top of the single crochet. Okay, we're getting close. Automatically 2 single crochets. Yeah, it's hiding right there, the second. One, two. Yeah, see how it looks? It's just beautiful. But like I said, it's not easy. Like I said, I'm planning to put this on the back of a cardigan. I might knit the cardigan. Just need to figure out how to attach this. I might even crochet. I don't know. So, okay, we're going to count these. You should have a total of 12 front posts. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Okay, so then we're going to finish it with 2 single crochets. Well, we already did 2, so we don't have to finish it. We already did the post. So I'm just going to come here where we did the chain and then make a slip stitch right there. Okay, so we finished row 4. I'm going to end this and I will come back with row 5 and then we'll go from there. I'm going to change my camera because the battery died on me. That's why I had technical issues. I will go back to that camera and see if I can tape it. So yeah, so I will see you on part 3. Okay, let me show you how it looks like on this, just to... So we did these parts right here, right now. Now we're going to do, I believe, these baubles. Okay, it's a little bit... See how it looks?